10 millimeter. We got Bob here. He's trying to take it. I don't know why. All right. He's trying to go for, hey, you know, what do you do? Coming for the takedown, him with the knee. You know, I don't know, maybe hit him with the low, hit him with the teeth. Whoa, what the fuck you doing? Grab it for my gun, bitch. Put the light over here, you walk around him, hit him with one of those, put it right to his pelvis, his belly button. I don't know. Either way, hey, he starts throwing at you. Hey, your timer falls, of course. I don't know. Shout out to the fucking, what is this thing called? SG, fucking Shooters Global. Yeah, I love this thing. That's why I got the case, right?